Today in a physics one topic name is simple pendulum. What is simple pendulum? A small massive object is tied with the massless string of length L. Other end of the string is tied with the rigid support and it oscillates in a vertical plane. Then such system is called simple pendulum. Here you have to obtain the periodic time of the simple pendulum. You can see here. You can see here in the small massive object that small massive spherical object of mass m tied with attached with massless string. Other end of the string tied with or joined with rigid support. The system oscillates in vertical plane. Constitute the simple pendulum. So make a small massive spherical object of the mass and is attached with the massless string. Other end of the string is joined with the rigid support. You can see the rigid support. And the system is oscillating vertically in constant simple pendulum. The distance between point of suspension to the center of mass of the spherical object is called length of simple pendulum. Now you can see here a small massive object is displaced from x distance. Small massive object displaced x distance from mean position. Making angle theta. The following forces are acting on it. First is tension force T towards the point of suspension and meet the body that is mg has two components, that is mg sin theta and second is mg cos theta. Now here mg cos theta is balanced by tension force T is equal to T number 1 and the restoring force acting on spherical object towards mean position. Towards mean position, that is f is equal to minus ax is equal to this balance by, that is here mg sin. But mg cos theta does not provide any rotation motion, so t mg cos theta is equal to t do not provide torque. Therefore, we can use here, that is f is equal to minus ax is equal to mg sin theta. This force provide vertical motion or rotation motion. Vertical motion of the system. Therefore, kx is equal to mg sin theta minus mg sin theta. Theta is very small. Theta is very small. Therefore, we can take here sin theta is equal to tangent theta is equal to theta is equal to h upon l. Keeping this value here, we will get here, that is kx is equal to minus mg h upon l. X will be cancelled, and again simplifying, we get here, we know that k is equal to for rotation motion n omega square. So keeping this value n omega square is equal to minus mg upon l, n will be cancelled. Now ignoring negative sign, we get here, that is omega is equal to under root g upon l. Therefore 2 pi by t is equal to under root g upon l. Therefore t is equal to 2 pi under root l upon. So this is the time period of the simple. So this way to solve. So this way to understand this topic. In this topic, we know that first we will give the definition of the simple pendulum. A small massive object is tied with the massless string of length L. Other end of the string is tied with the rigid support and oscillate in a vertical plane. This system is known as simple pendulum. The distance between point of suspension to the center of gravity of the suspended body is called length of the simple pendulum. Here pendulum oscillates in vertical direction. That following forces are acting on it. First is, that is a tension force which is in the direction of point of suspension, force and point of suspension, and the length both are perpendicular distance, that is here length and force both are in same direction, so torque will be 0. And the second, here the second force, that is here restoring force which is balanced by mg sin theta, and tangent force is balanced by T is equal to mg cos theta. So T is equal to mg cos theta does not provide any type of motion. Then here the vertical motion is responsible for the force here that is F is equal to minus kx is equal to mg sin theta. Theta is very small, and we can take here sin theta is equal to tangent theta is equal to theta is equal to x upon L, and k is equal to m omega square. Ignoring negative sign and taking this value and simplifying at the last we get t is equal to 2 pi under root L of g. So this is the time period of the circle. So this way to understand this topic. Thank you very much.